This is Math 2021, question 1C. We're told that tangents at y on the curve y is equal to e to the x are drawn at p e to the p and q e to the q, and they cross the x-axis at a and b respectively. And we want to determine a condition that a, b, p and q that must satisfy. So let's try and draw a diagram of what's going on. So if we draw y is equal to e to the x, that's going to be an exponential curve. And I've just chosen these 2 points p and q, arbitrary. I've drawn tangents for them at those points. And we're told that a and b are where they cross the x-axis, so they'll be exactly at these 2 points here. So maybe we want to work out the equation of these tangents to maybe do some maths with them. So what would they be? Well, they must be of the form y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, where y1, x1 are known coordinates that the tangent goes through, and m is the gradient. So in this case, for the case of this blue curve, it's of the form y minus e to the p is equal to m times x minus p. So what is m in this case? Well, m is the gradient of this line, but this gradient of the tangent is precisely the derivative of our curve evaluated at x equals p, which in this case is equal to e to the p, as the derivative of e to the x is itself. So therefore our equation is y minus e to the p is equal to e to the p times x minus p, and rearranging we can move this e to the p to the other side. And how does a come into this? Well, we know a is the x-intercept, so when x equals a, y is equal to 0. So plugging that in gives us that 0 is equal to e to the p times a minus p plus 1, but e to the p has got to be non-zero, therefore a minus p plus 1 is equal to 0, which means p minus a is equal to 1. Okay, that's what we've done for this blue curve. How does a green line work? Well, by the same reasoning, all we're doing is just switching p and q and switching a and b. So by the same logic, b minus q plus 1 is equal to 0, i.e. q minus b is equal to 1. And therefore we see that these two things are the same, so q minus b is equal to p minus a, which means the answer is C.